Hello from Do Chapter 5 Video Number 9， 你们好，好久不见。来 ，OK， for the last video we talked about items 8个字 ，solve、solve、solutions，OK， 来读 solution concentrated solutions and also saturated solution 6了 ，OK， dissolve 溶解。Suspensions 悬浮液 Okay, and now the last one, number 9, solubility 溶解度 and the last will be the most difficult 最难的就是这个最后一个啦 solubility 溶解度 Okay, so what's mean by solubility? The solubility of the solute is 某某溶解物的溶解度是什么意思呢？Is a quantity of the solutes in gram that can dissolve in 100 ml water at specific temperature to form a saturated solutions. This is a definition. 这就是它的意思。You copy first. 抄了不明白的一个意思啦。Okay. So 什么叫溶解度呢？ The quantity of the solute in grams. 你到底呢？ Okay, the quantity of the solute in gram that can dissolve in 100 ml water at a specific temperature to form a saturated solution. So I don't think the sentence can make you understand. 我就算读多2次、3次 you still cannot understand. 你还是不明白，对不对？ So I give up this sentence. 放弃这一句话。Okay? Or maybe we can help you with other sentence like Malay, or maybe in Chinese. Okay, 在华语简单的来讲呢 ，What is mean by solubility? 什么叫溶解度呢 ？Solubility means 在100 ml 的水里面能溶多少 ？Okay, so 在100 ml 的水里面，如果你能溶的比较多，你的溶解度比较高，你厉害溶，你能溶的很多。Okay, 如果在100 ml 的水里面，你溶的比较少，你能溶比较少，就是你的溶解度不高，你不厉害溶了。Okay, but still not understand， 还是不明白，对不对 ？If you not understand, how can you write this sentence? Or this is one of the past year from 1 mark。这一句话值1分。Okay, so if you cannot understand, you cannot write it. We have to try to understand. So 第一回合。我投降，我失败。The sentence cannot make you understand. Okay? And now I change the diagram. 第二回合我换图片。It doesn't mean you can understand suddenly. 也不代表你马上就会明白。Okay? But better than no 啦。Okay? So now draw on your notes. So now I prepare 100 ml water. 我准备100 ml 的水。Must be 100 ml. Sure, yes, 肯定。This is a standard 标准的100 ml. 100 cubic cm 一模一样的。Okay, so prepare 100 ml water. 准备100 ml 的水 at a specific temperature. Or another meaning, you must know the temperature. 你一定要知道它的温度是多少。So specific temperature, it can be any temperature. 它可以是任何的温度，某某的温度啦。Okay, and next, what is this? 什么东西来的呢 ？Sorry. Okay. So now I'm having 100 ml water at a specific temperature. So in 100 ml water at a specific temperature, how many grams of the solute?我到底能加多少 gram 的溶解物进去 Okay, how many gram of solute that I can add into the water? Until the solute cannot dissolve anymore, 直到它不能溶解为止 or become the saturated solutions, 然后变成饱和的溶液了。So what's mean by solubility? 什么叫溶解度 Okay, in 100 ml water at specific temperature, how many grams of solute can add into the water? Okay, until it becomes a saturated solution, or another meaning, until the solute cannot dissolve anymore, 直到这个溶解物完全不能溶解为止。Okay, 这种就叫溶解度，就是在100 ml 的水里面能溶多少。Okay, 直到它不能溶为止啊，就是能溶多少 ，but you still cannot understand， 你还是不明白，对不对？你开始怪我了。OK，and now second level， 第二回合你还是不明白 ，so we give up again， 我们又再放弃，再来。OK，remember when I talk about the solubility， 当我讲到溶解度，you don't think about 溶解的速度呢，你不要想到那个 rate of dissolving， 那个叫溶解的速度。For example, if you prepare Milo， 你要泡米咯 ，OK，you pour the hot water，it can dissolve faster， 你倒热水它可以溶得比较快，那种叫溶解的速度，不叫溶解度。OK，so 不要想到那边去，那个是你会的，我知道，不过这个不一样。OK，so now I go to example， 现在我看 example。OK，and this is a page number 8 for your notes 啊，你的第8面。this is the last chance， 最后一个机会了。You understand or not understand? Look at example。我们看，读这一句话，第8面啊。Different solute have different solubility at different temperature。这一句话 ，OK。translate to Chinese again， 在不一样的温度之下，不一样的溶解物有不一样的溶解度。OK，and after the example, no matter who are you， 不管你是谁，你都会了。So at different temperature, different solute have different solubility。在不一样的温度之下，不一样的溶解物有不一样的溶解度。OK，so what's the meanings? We look at the example。Remember, this is just the example. They are not the real example. Okay, copy here. Just the example. 它只是一个例子罢了，假的 example 罢了。Okay， 不要太认真了哈。Just the example. Again, this is just the example. Copy first. So now they say, I tell you one sentence. 我讲一句话给你听哈。The solubility of the common salt is 200 grams at 40 degrees Celsius. OK， 普通盐它在44度 ，OK，sorry， 普通盐在40度的时候，它的溶解度就是200 grams. So what's the meaning? If you understand this sentence, so how can you imagine about the sentence? 你这样想着这个句子呢 ？The solubility of the common salt is 200 grams at 40 degrees Celsius. 在40度的时候。普通盐的溶解度就是200 gram， 什么意思呢 ？OK， see. So now, another meaning, when 200 gram of common salt is added into 100 ml water of 40 degrees Celsius， 你把200 gram 的普通盐加在100 ml 的水里面，当时的温度是40度了。OK，it forms a saturated solution， 它变成了饱和的溶液。Another meaning, the salts cannot dissolve anymore， 那个盐就不能再溶了。也就是说，在100 ml 的水里面，40度，在100 ml 40度的一杯水里面，普通盐、炒菜盐 ，it just can dissolve 200 gram only 呢，它只能溶解200 gram 罢了。After 200 gram， 200 gram 过后，它就饱和，它就不能再溶解了。OK。But 200 gram actually is too much 200 gram 我知道它是太多 But I just tell you, this is just the example. 它只是一个例子罢了，不要太在意。OK， 可能20 gram 就已经饱和了。再来看 ，The solubility of the sugar is 100 gram at 40 degrees Celsius. 糖的溶解度在40度的时候呢是100 gram。Another meaning, you having 100 ml water at a temperature 40啦，还是那一杯水100 ml 40度。But if you add sugar， 如果你加糖下去啊 ，the sugar just can dissolve 100 grams， 那个糖只可以溶100 gram 罢了。奇怪，同样的2杯水，对不对？100 gram 100 gram 40 degrees Celsius 40 degrees Celsius，but common salts can dissolve 200 gram， 普通盐能溶200 gram，sugar just can dissolve 100 gram， 奇怪啊。Okay, so when 100 gram of sugar is added into 100 ml water of 40 degrees Celsius, it forms a saturated solutions. 就是在100 ml 40度的水里面，糖只能溶100 gram 罢了。Okay, so in this case, if you compare sugar and common salt， 如果你比较普通盐跟糖 ，which one having a higher solubility？ 谁的溶解度比较高呢？ Common salts。盐啊，对不对 ？So common salts, Okay, the solubility of common salt is higher compared to sugar at a temperature of 40 degrees Celsius. So 在40度的时候，盐的溶解度高过糖，盐能溶比较多过糖，盐比较厉害溶，它能溶200 gram， 糖只能溶100 gram 罢了。Okay, so different solute 不一样的溶解物 have different solubility 有不一样的溶解度，在不一样的温度之下。Okay, so the solubility of common salt is higher than sugar when the temperature is 40. 在40度的时候，普通盐的溶解度高过糖。Okay, understand? 就是它比较厉害溶，它能溶的更多。我们比较少用到的一种句子。Next, remember when we talk about solubility, 当我们讲到溶解度的时候 ，you must mention the temperature， 一定要提到温度。讲溶解度而不讲温度就不用没有意思了。Why we have to talk about temperature？ 为什么溶解度跟温度一定要在一起的呢？Why we have to talk about them together？ 为什么要一起讲的呢？奇怪，对不对 ？Simple. I show you one example 啦。So different solute having different solubility at different temperature。不一样的溶解物在不一样的温度之下有不一样的溶解度。So if you don't talk about temperature, it will be no meaning for the solubility. 因为温度一变，溶解度就变。你不讲温度就不够意思了，就没有意思了。So I show you example， 给你看例子了。Okay? Any example 有什么例子呢 ？Okay， 看啊。So they say now I having 3 道 solute， 现在我有3种的糖，现在有3种的盐 ，potassium nitrate, potassium chloride, potassium chlorate， 3种的盐，不一样的盐。Okay， so at 10 degrees Celsius， 在温度10度的时候 ，Can you see something？ 你有看到什么东西吗 ？When the temperature is equal to 10, okay, the solubility of the potassium chloride will be the highest. Potassium chloride 的溶解度最高。Okay, and followed by potassium nitrate, potassium chlorate， 对不对 ？So 那个时候是10度。And when the temperature become 20 something， 当温度呢来到这边的时候 ，maybe 25， 可能25度。Okay, so when the temperature become 25, the solubility of the potassium nitrate, potassium chloride same。这两种东西，这两种盐的溶解度呢，却一样去了哦。Okay, and potassium chlorate 还是很低，对不对 ？But now when the temperature become higher， 当温度更高的时候，又 be different， 情况又不一样了。For example, when the temperature become 30， 在30度的时候 ，the solubility of the potassium nitrate now over the potassium chloride 已经超越 potassium chloride 了，对不对 ？At the beginning 是 potassium chloride 赢的，它比较厉害溶的。But when the temperature become higher and higher， 不过温度越来越高的时候 ，you see potassium chloride the solubility increase slowly， 它的溶解度增加的很慢。potassium nitrate 你看飙高去了，对不对 ？So 不一样的溶解物。有不一样的溶解度，在不一样的温度。Okay, so if you don't mention about temperature， 如果你没有提到温度，讲溶解度就没有意思了，明白吗 ？So this is what we call solubility， 这种就是我们所谓的溶解度，就是能溶多少，能溶多就是溶解度高，厉害溶的意思。Okay, so that's all for this word， 这个字就是这个意思了，能溶多少。Okay， 拜拜，下得里赛的。